Thought I'd just share this quick tip with you on how to protect your tree saplings and other young plants you should care to protect from being grazed on by deer and other animals, I guess, like rabbits and things. They're all things we have around here. We have rabbits, roe deer, muntjac. So far this technique I've been using seems to work. It's a little less conventional, but it certainly saves the necessity for using chicken wire or any kind of plastic tree protectors. And so far so good, it seems to be working. It's worked so far for about a year on some of my trees, and it's a technique I think I'm going to be trying to use on most of the planting I put in on our small plot this year. But yeah, I'll go and put some trees in and I'll show you exactly what I do. Okay, so we've got a young sapling in here, and all I do is simply get a piece of human hair. Now, this is easy for me because I have long hair, but come on, everyone knows someone with long hair. And I simply tie the hair around the stalk of the plant. And that human hair is enough to put the deer off, it would seem. So far I haven't had any problems with these young saplings being grazed on since I've been putting hair on them. Now, like I say, this isn't going to work on a huge industrial scale, but for a small homesteader or in the garden, this is ideal. It saves the necessity for any kind of garish plastic or the expense of wire and tree protectors. It's simple, affordable, natural, and it works. Try it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been useful. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I hope this has been helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.